This dahi salad is your perfect summer savior. Cool, refreshing and super light. Think of it like a classic kachumber but with a creamy dahi twist that makes it extra delicious and soothing in the heat. Let's begin. In a large bowl, add finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped cucumbers, boiled and chopped potato. This adds a soft texture. Some boiled peas for a subtle sweetness. Give everything a gentle mix. Now let's build a flavor. Salt as per taste, some crushed black pepper, chopped green chili. Adjust this according to your spice preference. Next, cumin powder, sugar to balance the flavors. Finish with a handful of freshly chopped coriander. Mix it well so the spices coat evenly. Now comes the creamy element. Curd, already whisked till smooth. Gently fold it into the mixture. Now for the twist, boiled beetroot. This is completely optional, but it adds a beautiful color and a hint of sweetness. As you mix it in, watch it slowly turn into a lovely shade of pink. Fresh, creamy and perfectly balanced. Serve it chilled as a side dish or even enjoy it on its own. Do try it out and experiment with your own variations. We'd love to hear how it turned out. Until next time, eat well, live well and stay blessed.